Welcome back. I'm Larry. So I just want to give a quick little update. I have recently made a member link channel thing. If you want to become a member, you can do that now. Just to show a little bit extra support. I thought it'd be kind of fun to do. I've never done one before. Obviously, it's my first time. I just want to play with it. It's only $1 a month, 99 cents. So uh, not bad. It's the lowest you could go, and I just kind of want to do it just try it out and have some fun. So if you want to show a little bit extra support to the channel, just say, hey, I like your stuff, and here's a little bit extra support. You can throw in the extra little bit of $1 a month if you want to, and you got little icons to show you your progress. The first one is your classic grease monkey, and then you got I love classics, and I think after that it might be the 77. I can't remember, but anyway, it's something pretty cool if you want to check it out. And if you do it, I think I'm up to, I think, 3 or 4 members now, which is really awesome, really cool. For all y'all that joined, I greatly appreciate it. I can't tell you how much that means to me, and I really appreciate it. So if you want to join, that's great. There'll be a link in the description of this video. If you want to join, you can click the link. And I also got it on my home page. If you click the view channel, it'll be in the description of my home page on the channel. And I also put it in every video going forward in the description. So if you want to check that out, it's there for you, easy access. So yeah, that's all it is for this one, and I appreciate it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.